In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reports, understanding summary, detail, and list reports in QuickBooks Online by a tutorial. Let's get started right inside QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, look to the left panel and click on Reports. This takes you to the main reporting hub, where all your financial insights live. Next, switch to the Standard tab. This is where you'll find a wide array of commonly used reports, neatly organized by use case, so it's easy to spot what you need. As you browse, you'll see different types of reports, including summary, detail, and list reports. A summary report rolls everything up into totals and high-level figures, perfect for getting a quick snapshot of performance. A detail report breaks things down line by line, showing individual transactions so you can trace exactly what happened. A list report focuses on your records, like customers, vendors, products, or your chart of accounts, helpful for reviewing master data rather than transactions. When you're ready, click on any report type that fits your goal. QuickBooks will instantly run the report using your own data. Don't worry if it looks busy at first. The real power comes from tailoring it to your needs. At the top of the report, you'll find tools to customize what you see. Start with the date range. You can choose a preset period like this month, last quarter, or year to date, or set custom start and end dates. Pick a range that matches the question you're trying to answer, whether it's a quick month-to-date check or a full-year review. Next, adjust the columns. Add columns that help tell the story, like customer, product, memo, or location, and remove anything that isn't relevant. Keeping only what matters makes the report cleaner and faster to interpret. If you're using a detail report, thoughtful column choices can make patterns and exceptions stand out immediately. You can also create groupings to organize the data in a way that makes sense for your workflow. Group by customer to compare who's buying the most, by product or service to see which items drive revenue, or by class or location if you track activity that way. Grouping lets you see totals and subtotals at a glance while still preserving the underlying detail. As you tweak the date range, columns, and groupings, watch how the report refines itself into exactly what you need. That's all it takes. Go to Reports on the left panel, open the Standard tab, choose the right report, and customize it to fit your analysis. Now you're ready to confidently use summary, detail, and list reports in QuickBooks Online.